Welcome guys. If you want to pair your LG Tone 3 FN6 earphones to your MacBook, at the first you have to open the case, just like that, and then click and hold this button on the left side. Let's make it right now. Click and hold and take a look on this front indicator. When it's blinking, it means that we can reach that button and our earphones are in the pairing mode. So remove them from the case. The right and the left one. Put the case back. You can keep it open. And the next step, we have to simply open the system settings on our MacBook. Go for the Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth right here with this button. And then just take a look on the available devices list. As you can see, after a few seconds, our earphones are right here. So what you have to do, just simply select connect. And as you can see, after a few seconds, the status has changed. We are successfully connected, and we can also go for the Bluetooth for the sound settings and check if we successfully switch. Yeah, as you can see right now, we are on external earphones, not in our internal speaker. So remember to select your earphones if you are still on the MacBook speaker, and then also be sure that the mute option is unselected. And that's how you can use your LG Tone 3 FN6 earbuds with the MacBook. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.